And this is a good segue because I collected a few comments from my YouTube subscribers and they gave very specific questions for you. But one comes from Camille and he's asking how to collect data information you should know before you start working on a workshop. And he's saying that either it is a new project or a new phase of a project, how to be sure that you will cover as much as you can in your questions during the workshop.
Well, the way I see it, every workshop has a workshop owner. The workshop owner who is in the end the person who's going to be paying for your workshop. And I want to connect with that person. And the only thing I need to understand is, what do you want in the end of the workshop? What's the result you want to have? And before I have the workshop, I'll design the workshop or draw the billboard and then have a conversation. So it might be a personal meeting or a Teams call where I'm going to show him the whole process and say, here we're going to start. These are the activities, and when we finish, this is what I'm going to deliver. So I'm going to walk him through the complete workshop before the workshop actually happens. And then I get the assessment. Yes, that's cool. This is what I want. Or no, I don't, which means go back to the drawing board, make a new billboard, give him a second call and ask, is this what you want to have?
What if, so let's say when I tend to run workshops, and to be honest, just a few weeks back, I got this question from actual owner, like what I call product champion, someone who is there to sponsor the actual deliverable of UX. They're saying, how are you sure that this is what you're doing is the right thing?
Well, for me, it's like I have templates. So one of the templates is like to-do list project plan. And ask the workshop owner, imagine if we have the complete workshop and what we come out is with a project plan, with a KPI, project sponsor, to-do task and blockers. Would that satisfy you? And if he says yes, well, that's what I'm going to deliver. Or if I ask him, if we have a sketching session and we have build a complete user story, user journey, and we have maybe some interface sketches, and we can tell the story how the person is going to interact with your product. Are you going to be happy? And I usually show them like examples from previous workshops so they have an idea what it is. And it's very rare that they say afterwards, well, I expected something completely else. While if it's like we're going to have an innovation workshop, sorry, I can't tell you what we're going to get, but we're going to be super creative. And here you have 3 ideas, and then he says, well, sorry, it's not what I wanted. Yeah, I think the risk is much less if you actually pinpoint in the beginning, that's what you're going to get. And just tell me now, do you want it, yes or no? So
kind of agreeing on success criteria and then proceeding.
It's for me a contract. The contract is a promise. I'm doing this workshop, and also this is an investment from your side. And in many workshops, people only think about their investment. So what does it cost for the consultant to come? But a company with 10 or 15 people from top or medium management sitting in the workshop, that's a huge investment. So there's no workshop that only costs 5K. It does not happen. 10 people in one room for one full day with travel costs or something like that, you already spent 15,000, 20,000 from the company side. And whatever you deliver must match that investment of their internal investment as well as what they're paying for you to come to the workshop.